Hi guys, so let's see how to restore old Windows PhotoViewer in Windows 10. Just go to this link. I have pasted this link in the description of the video also. You can directly click on that link and go to the download location. And now click on download now. Once the file has been downloaded, click on the downloaded file. Now install this particular software. You can uncheck this option, create a desktop icon. Click on install, click on finish. Now the software will load. Now click on restore Windows PhotoViewer. Click on OK. Now on the start button and click on gear shift icon to open this. Now click on default search box and search default apps. Now scroll down and in the PhotoViewer just click on it. And this is the Windows PhotoViewer. Just select it. Now this Windows PhotoViewer has been selected. Now whenever you will open any image, it will open with that old nostalgic Windows PhotoViewer. Thanks guys.